Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. Thank you for joining me today. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And in this video I wanted to show you how I made this little place card for our Thanksgiving table. Now place cards are a fun way to jazz up your table a little bit and use your paper crafting supplies to make your table really special, and you don't have to have a formal setting to use these. I think they're wonderful even if you're using paper plates or just nothing formal, just a fun buffet style. And but if you have several guests, you can have these out, and it's just a really fun idea. Sometimes in my family, we draw names for gift giving for Christmas on Thanksgiving, and we'll use our place cards as for the name draw. So that's just another idea. So as we approach Thanksgiving here in the U.S., I thought I'd share this little idea with you. I've started making these, and so I'm using the Falling for Leaves stamp set, actually the bundle that includes the stamp set and a coordinating framelits. I've chosen these two from the collection to use, and I'm going to be using this little thankful sentiment and this stamp. Now I've already done some work ahead of time. I have stamped this image, this leaf image, onto Whisper White cardstock in Memento Black, Tuxedo Black ink, because I'm going to be using our alcohol markers, Stampin' Blends, to color this leaf. So I'm just going to take a seat here and give it some color. So I'm going to start with the light pumpkin pie first. And really, this is super easy coloring. I'm just going around the edges, the outside of this leaf. And this leaf is to me, it's like a folk art leaf image, and I think it looks like someone sketched it out, and I love that look. And even if you have the stamp set and you don't have the framelits, you could fussy cut these out. But don't let it stop you if you have other stamp sets that you might want to use, say perhaps another leaf set or something with pumpkins maybe would make a really pretty place card as well. So go through your stash and see what you have. These Stampin' Blends are just a fun, easy way to color quickly, and I'm not doing anything super special, no shading or anything like that. I'm just coloring and giving some dark. I've got the dark pumpkin pie now, and I'm just going to color this inner floral piece here, and maybe these, and then the stem. You could also use on this Cajun Craze would be a pretty choice. So let me go back with my light pumpkin pie and color in the rest here. So it's okay if you go over what you previously covered. Like I said, this is an easy coloring task, nothing intricate or detailed, just fun. And now I'll look at that and I'm thinking I want a little bit more dark, so I'm going to come back over these little scallops with the dark, and I think I might even go a little more on the inside here, just kind of outline, make it fun. Okay, so let me try this. Who knows, when I get through doing several of these, they may all look a little different, but that's okay. I love doing this. I love just adding my paper crafting touch to our family dinner. Okay, there we go. I like how that looks. So what I've also done is I've die cut two of these intricate leaves from old olive cardstock. I thought those would look nice peeking from behind that. And let me get the actual place card. I'm using a piece of soft suede cardstock cut at, let's see, 4 by, I want to be sure these are the same size. I have scraps, 4 by 3.5. I'm going to trim this one a bit. I'm going to go 3.5 on this one like I did before. So let me get this. Let me see. Yeah, so that's 4 by 3.5, made a pretty nice size. These are scraps that I had in my scrap drawer, so that works out nicely. I'm going to take this and just fold it and match the ends here. Take my bone folder and give it a good crease. Now, I want to take my Everyday Label punch because I thought that would make a good punched shape for the name for the place card. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to attach that first so that I have that, and the other elements can label over top. Okay. That's not working for me, so let me go this route. Okay. Let's go ahead and put our punched piece there. And now I want the leaves to extend beyond, because you don't want anything coming below, because you want it to sit up on your table like so in a tent form. So let me see if I can get some of my glue that has there we go. That other one was just too low. Too much effort there. See, I'm going to attach like that, and then I'm going to use it and come back and go over top like that. Let's see if that's going to work. I might need to pull those up some. I think I am, because I don't want them hidden by the pumpkin pie leaf. So let's see how that's going to work. Yeah, that's just fine. All right. Let's go ahead and use some of the liquid glue here. And have that just like that. Now, I have a piece, I don't want this stuck down yet, so I'm lifting that up, and you'll see why in just a minute. I have a piece of crumb cake cut at 3/4 of an inch wide here, and it's just a strip. I had a scrap again, and I like having this extra room on the end, so I'm going to take some early espresso, and it's, you know, it's longer than I need, all right? So because I'm going to banner cut those ends, so I'm going to come away from this edge so I have room to cut or punch if you'd like, and just stamp. That comes out. Yep. All right, now you can take your scissors or you can take a punch. I'm going to try my tailored tag punch here. Let's see. Nope, I'm changing my mind on that. The first one I did my scissors and it was easy. I could see what I was cutting. And it's because it was a little long, and it's easier to just do it with my paper snip. So that's the way I'm going to do it. That one's a little shorter than my original one, but it's going to be okay. And I'm just running my bone folder over the back side and breaking those fibers so it's more like a ribbon, okay? And I want this end to tuck right underneath there. So I'm going to see how that looks, and that'll be fine. So I'm going to put a little glue here. And I don't want to cover up the word thankful, so it's going to go over top here, okay? Just like that. Okay. All right, so now you can take a marker or pen and write the name of your friend or family member that's attending your dinner. And it's ready to go. Okay, I hope you'll give that a try and add that touch to your, it doesn't have to be Thanksgiving, it can be any time, or even think about a holiday and change your color scheme, and I think that would be really pretty. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.